Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to read Substack articles. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first step is to log into your Substack account. Once you're logged in, head towards bottom left corner and click on these three lines. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the Settings option. This is where you can manage different aspects of your account and tailor your Substack experience according to your preferences. Now scroll through your settings until you reach the subscription section. This section is important because it contains all the publications you've subscribed to. A personalized library filled with the latest articles from your favorite writers. To explore a particular publication, click on its name. This takes you to the Publications page. On the Publications page, you'll notice several tabs such as Home, Archive, and Posts. If you're looking for the newest posts, the Home tab is the best place to start. For older articles, the Archive gives you a full history, and the Posts tab provides a complete list of everything available to read. When you find a title that interests you, simply click it to open and read the full article. It's that straightforward. And that's it. So that is how you can read Substack articles. So that's all for this video. Thanks.